Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to make keto-friendly avocado ice cream. Ingredients: 2 ripe avocados, 1 can of coconut milk full fat, a sweetener of your choice we're using erythritol, a pinch of salt, a splash of vanilla extract, and some lime juice for that zesty kick. Wait, before starting the video, I introduce you with Icaria Lean Belly Juice, which will help you to burn belly fat naturally in 7 days. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Start by cutting your avocados in half, removing the pits, and scooping out the flesh into a blender. Add in the almond milk, heavy cream, powdered erythritol, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Blend all the ingredients until you have a smooth and creamy mixture. Make sure there are no lumps remaining. Place it in the freezer for at least 4-6 hours, or until it's firm. Scoop out your creamy avocado ice cream into a bowl or a keto-friendly cone. Feel free to add some keto-friendly toppings like chopped nuts, dark chocolate chips, or a drizzle of sugar-free caramel sauce for that extra flavor and texture. Ready to say goodbye, stubborn belly fat? Get Icaria Lean Belly Juice. Smoothies, click the link in the video description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.